Imagine designing learning today without tech tools and apps. Yeah, we can't either. From content creation to collaboration to assessments, educational technology is now the engine behind modern instructional design. Let's break down how these tools breathe life into learning and how to choose the right one for the job. Hey everyone, let's talk about the bread and butter of learning: content. Remember the days of chalkboards and overhead projectors? Thankfully, those days are long gone. Today, we have incredible tools at our fingertips that help us create engaging and interactive learning experiences. Think about it. You can design beautiful presentations with tools like Canva or PowerPoint, build interactive simulations, and even record your own videos. And the best part? Many of these tools are designed with educators in mind, so they're intuitive and easy to use. We'll dive deeper into specific content creation tools later, but for now, let's just appreciate how far we've come. Now let's talk about another game changer in education: collaboration. Remember when group projects meant huddling around one computer or passing handwritten notes back and forth? Thankfully, technology has made working together so much smoother. We have amazing tools like Google Workspace and Microsoft Teams that let students collaborate on documents in real time, share ideas seamlessly, and even work together from different locations. These platforms are not just for students. They're revolutionizing how teachers communicate with each other and with parents too. From shared calendars to instant messaging, these tools help us stay connected and build stronger learning communities. Now, let's talk about the glue that holds everything together: learning management systems, or LMS for short. Think of an LMS as a digital hub for your entire course or training program. This is where you can house all your content, track student progress, deliver assessments, and even facilitate discussions. Popular LMS platforms like Moodle, Canvas, and Blackboard provide a structured environment for learning while giving educators powerful tools to manage and personalize the experience. From automated grading to personalized learning paths, an LMS can streamline your workflow and help you create a more data-driven and effective learning environment. Okay, let's be real. Assessments are a crucial part of learning, even if they sometimes give students the jitters. But here's the good news. Technology has made assessments more engaging and less intimidating. Forget about those tedious paper-based quizzes. Today, we have tools like Kahoot, Quizzes, and even built-in features within LMS platforms that allow you to create interactive quizzes, polls, and games that make assessments fun and effective. You can get real-time feedback on student understanding, identify areas where they might be struggling, and even personalize learning paths based on their performance. Pictures speak 1,000 words, and videos? Well, they can explain a whole concept in minutes. That's the power of multimedia and video tools in education. We're talking about platforms like YouTube, of course, Vimeo, and even interactive video platforms like Edpuzzle, which allow you to embed questions and quizzes directly into videos. Whether you're flipping your classroom, creating engaging explainer videos, or just want to add some visual interest to your lessons, these tools can take your teaching to the next level. We've covered a lot of ground today, from content creation to assessment, and it's incredible to see how far educational technology has come. But the real magic happens when we use these tools to empower learners and ignite a passion for knowledge. Now, I want to hear from you. Think back. How has tech transformed learning for you? What tools do you love, loathe, or can't live without? Drop your thoughts in the chat or forum. Whether you're Team Kahoot or Canva obsessed, let's keep the conversation going. We've explored some amazing EdTech tools today. To help you navigate this exciting world, remember that these tools often fall into broader categories. You have your content creation powerhouses like Canva and Adobe Creative Cloud, communication and collaboration champions like Google Workspace and Microsoft Teams, and assessment gurus like Kahoot and Quizzes. And let's not forget about the learning management systems that bring it all together, platforms like Moodle, Canvas, and Blackboard. Each tool has its own strengths, and the key is to choose the right one for your specific needs and goals. In the world of instructional design, the tool doesn't make the teacher, but the right tools can supercharge your impact. So choose wisely, align your tools with your goals, and never underestimate the power of tech to turn learning into something unforgettable. Design smart, choose right, teach boldly. Let's explore how to put these tools together into a seamless learning experience your learners will love. Let's discuss. What's in your assessment toolbox? Share your favorite tools below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Remember, at Digital Education Zone, we ensure your creativity and innovations are simplified. Thank you for viewing.